Just about every firearm owner has a cleaning kit at home, but what about when you're out at the range? Well, today we're going to take a look at the cleaning kit I keep in my range bag, so stick around. Welcome back to the channel, crew. Today we're going to be taking a look at the little cleaning kit that I carry in my range bag. Now obviously this started out life as a little Bushmaster cleaning kit. I really do like the case it's in. It's not very big, fairly small profile, not very thick. Also has little straps on the back side of it, makes it easy to attach to something. However, on the inside, I have swapped out a lot of the different tools and components from the original kit. So let's open it up here and take a look inside. And let's get rid of this because it's kind of covering some things up. That's just a piece of an old t-shirt. Great way to repurpose those old t-shirts you have. Just a rag for wiping things down. Get that out of the way. Now it's worth noting before we get started here on the kit that we're not going to be going over any cleaning products, lubricants, or solvents. I carry those separately. This is specifically the tools for cleaning. Now, as far as the original kit, there are several parts in here, components that came with the original kit. This brush right here, for example, is one of those pieces. And I find this type of brush really useful because of the little small end more than anything. So I kept it in the kit. This particular kit is a pull-through design. So we've obviously got the cable here. Now this is a 3-foot cable. So it will do pistols, rifles, pretty much anything out there. Then if you use a pull-through cable, obviously you need a some type of a handle. And that's what that piece is. You'll also notice here I have a couple of different size patches in there. Then we go to this side and we see that we have a bore light. Must have in my mind for a little cleaning kit. You want to be able to see down the bore, of course, and in other little areas of what you're cleaning too. Now as far as the different attachments on this side, we have bronze brushes. I've got 22 caliber 308, 9mm 357, and 45. And that's primarily the calibers I'm going to have at the range. So that's going to vary depending on your specific kit. Now the attachments you see here, the orange ones are actually put out by Remington. They're called a Squeegee, and they're really cool. They're sort of rubbery, and they take the place of patches in a way. I still like to run a wet patch through before I start, obviously to pull a wet patch through at the end with the any type of lubricant or something that I want to leave in the barrel. But these are really great for what they do, which is basically squeegeeing a lot of the dirt and gunk out of a barrel. Again, the orange ones are Remington. The red ones here are the same design, the same exact thing. Of course, I think Remington and Bushmaster are the same parent company, so it would make sense. But these actually came with this particular kit. Now, hopping back across to the other side here, you'll notice that we have a brass slotted tip. This will attach to the cable, and this for pulling the patches through. I shoot a lot of 22 caliber, so I also like to keep a 22 caliber bore snake. And then finally in this kit, we'll finish up with a couple of tools here. I've got a little Gerber vise multi-tool. Just in case I need a screwdriver, a little bit of a file, I need something to pry with, a pair of pliers, that sort of thing. And then just in case I have to cut patches down or something like that, I found that these little scissors are really handy. So I keep them in there as well. So there you go. There is the contents of my little portable range cleaning kit. Now, I would highly advise that, you put one of these together for yourself. The contents, of course, depending on what you're going to do, it's obviously going to vary. So if you have questions about that, by all means, throw them in the comments below. We would love to try to help you out. Before you leave, we'd like to invite you to one of the 4 live shows we do every week here on the channel. Want to thank you for watching, and until next time, don't forget to chain fire freedom.